Mr. Atwoli, you tried to stand for elections. You didn't make 200 votes. You have no business anywhere lecturing anybody about electoral politics. In fact, seeing you yesterday, you reminded me of a book I read that describes somebody as a poor actor in a bad play. And that's exactly what you are. Wachaneni na sisi, tuna haki ya kuwa na marafiki. And Mr. President, don't listen to this Atwoli is a prophet of doom. He's going to send you astray. You have built a legacy of a Democrat. You've been elected twice, and you are now going to retire in total grace and respect. When Atwoli keeps on telling you you are going nowhere, you know he's lying to you because you are going somewhere in retirement. We want to urge you kwamba mheshimiwa rais wetu, ukiwa na marafiki kama Atwoli, you don't need any enemies because the enemies are around you. Tunataka kukueleza ya kwamba uchaguzi wa tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 wa Kenya watachagua yule mtu wa kukuridhi, na huyo mtu hatakuwa yule wewe utachagua, atakuwa yule wa Kenya watachagua.